If you need to reset your password for Dubai Islamic Bank Switzerland, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the Dubai Islamic Bank Switzerland official website. Look for the login section where you typically enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Locate the Forgot Password link, usually found near the login fields. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a password reset link. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets the bank's security requirements. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.